Hello guys, in this video I'm going to introduce you yet another generative AI tool called as SuperDash. SuperDash is quite an intuitive idea where all you need to do is to give access, and that is read-only access, to your database to this SuperDash, and with the help of artificial intelligence, SuperDash is going to generate dashboards on your data in minutes. With the help of this, you can visualize your data and also you can track metrics about your application. One quick use case which I could think of immediately is that you could maybe point this to your Prometheus or to your any Elasticsearch or any other data source, and from there, for example, if you are collecting any metrics around your monitoring tool, you can feed that here, and then with the help of AI you can talk with it. Because if you have ever managed any monitoring tool, and there are heaps of them in the market, you can appreciate that how hard it is to make any sense out of them. All of them say that they have the best in town tools, and but if you go there, you just don't know. There are all cool graphics and graphs going here and there, things flowing, but it's very hard to see, okay, what exactly is happening here. But with the help of AI and tools like SuperDash, hopefully, I think it will help a lot to glean any intelligence from these tools and the massive data we are collecting in the names of monitoring. Now, in order to use SuperDash, you can try it out for free, which is great, and you don't need any credit card. So let me show you. Sign up with your email for free account and then log in. Once you log in there, you can see this console where you can create your projects. Let's create our project. Click on create project, just name it any thing, like I'll say test project here. Click on next, and now you can connect your Postgres database or any REST API. So REST API, for example, if you have a data source which exposes itself through API, you can give it, which opens up a lot of possibilities. But natively, it supposed Postgres. So let me give it the Postgres one. So I just provided it my SuperDash database, which is Postgres database, which is an open source database, and I'm hosting it in AWS RDS, which is, and you can do that too. If you don't have any Postgres database, you can just go to AWS, which is Amazon Web Services, create your free account, and create your RDS database for free there in the free tier. From there, just give it this database name. This is a default one. The user is also default. I have just given it a temp password, and then click on test connection, and you can see connection is successful. Click on finish, and then it is going to open the console for you, and you can see that it is asking that generating your dashboard with AI. I don't have any data there. Maybe I will put in some data anyway. So let's see. So there you go. It says that relation data doesn't exist or anything like that, because I don't have it here. So this is a bit strange because I don't have anything there. Okay, so I think orders is what, table, I guess. And this is a bit funny because I don't have anything in that database. Anyway, so this is how easy it is to create your data source here, and then you can create a lot of projects here. Now, if you want to build some dashboards on it, you can simply click on create chart, and from here you can do AI builder or manual. Let's click on AI builder, and it is saying that it is generating charts with AI, and it is asking me to upgrade everything. What's the point if I can't uh, build any chart without upgrading? But anyway, so, and I'm not sure what exactly this order by. I think this is searching for some order by table. So this is strange because I have just created a table in my database, but it is not showing here. So that is a bit of a strange thing, because it should show me some sort of information on the basis of the data which I have in this Postgres table. Anyway, so I hope that maybe they'll be improving it a bit more, because the interface looks a bit strange, and also as I said, it is unable to identify my table. But anyway, a good tool. Maybe if you are aware of any similar tool which actually does the dashboarding on the basis of my own data, that will be very useful. Or if you know what I'm doing wrong here, or is I don't want to upgrade it in order to test it. I have already attached my database, so feel free to let me know if you think I'm doing something wrong. That would be awesome. Anyway, if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel, and if you're already subscribed, please share it among your network. And I'll drop the link to this Super Dash in video's description too. Thanks for watching.